Which regulatory body granted Paytm Money the certificate of registration to operate as a research analyst? Option A, RBI. Option B, Niti Aayog. Option C, IRDAI. Option D, SEBI. Correct answer. Option D, SEBI. Kailega Kailega Mera India, Jeetega Jeetega Mera India, is the official anthem of which sports event held in 2025? Option A, Khelo India Para Games. Option B, National Games of India. Option C, Khelo India Youth Games. Option D, Asian Winter Games. Correct answer. Option A, Khelo India Para Games. What was the significance of ISRO's launch of the NVS-2 satellite? Option A, it was India's first satellite dedicated to weather monitoring. Option B, it marked the 100th launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Option C, it was the first satellite using solar electric propulsion. Option D, it was the heaviest satellite launched by ISRO to date. Correct answer. Option B, it marked the 100th launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. What is the chemical formula of quicklime? Option A, CaO. Option B, CaCl2. Option C, CaOH2. Option D, CaCO3. Correct answer. Option A, CaO. The bilateral naval exercise, Varuna 2025, marked continued maritime cooperation between India and which of the following countries? Option A, Russia. Option B, France. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, United States. Correct answer. Option B, France. Who started the Marathi newspaper, Kesari, in 1881 to inspire Indian nationalism during the colonial period? Option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option B, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option D, Vinoba Bhave. Correct answer. Option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? Option A, linear strand. Option B, double helix. Option C, zigzag chain. Option D, triple coil. Correct answer. Option B, double helix. Who was the founder of the Chalukya dynasty? Option A, Pulakeshin I. Option B, Vikramaditya I. Option C, Rajaraja Narendra. Option D, Kirtivarman I. Correct answer. Option A, Pulakeshin I. The ancient dockyard of the Indus Valley Civilization, known for its advanced maritime facilities, was discovered at which site? Option A, Kalibangan. Option B, Mohenjo-Daro. Option C, Lothal. Option D, Surkotada. Correct answer. Option C, Lothal. Which constitutional amendment empowered the president to proclaim a national emergency even if another emergency was already in operation on different grounds? Option A, 36th Amendment. Option B, 38th Amendment. Option C, 40th Amendment. Option D, 42nd Amendment. Correct answer. Option B, 38th Amendment. Which of the following is the largest freshwater lake in India? Option A, Chalika Lake. Option B, Dal Lake. Option C, Walar Lake. Option D, Kalaru Lake. Correct answer. Option C, Walar Lake. Which sport commonly uses all of the following terms? Bend, dribble, dummy. Option A, basketball. Option B, volleyball. Option C, baseball. Option D, football. Correct answer. Option D, football. What was the primary objective of the Simon Commission appointed in 1927? Option A, to review the Government of India Act 1919. Option B, to investigate Indian economic conditions. Option C, to review Indian Education Commission of 1919. Option D, to investigate the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Correct answer. Option A, to review the Government of India Act 1919. As per the latest census conducted in 2025, what is the population of the one-horned rhinoceros in West Bengal? Option A, 229. Option B, 337. Option C, 392. Option D, 416. Correct answer. Option C, 392. Who launched the Shistachar Squad to combat eve teasing and enhance women's safety? Option A, Mumbai Police. Option B, Uttar Pradesh Police. Option C, Kolkata Police. Option D, Delhi Police. Correct answer. Option D, Delhi Police. What was India's medal tally at the 12th season of the World Para-Athletics Grand Prix 2025? Option A, 40 gold, 45 silver, and 49 bronze. Option B, 45 gold, 40 silver, and 49 bronze. Option C, 49 gold, 45 silver, and 40 bronze. Option D, 45 gold, 49 silver, and 40 bronze. Correct answer. Option B, 45 gold, 40 silver, and 49 bronze. Who launched the dedicated mobile app for the Prime Minister Internship Scheme in New Delhi? Option A, Narendra Modi. Option B, Amit Shah. Option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option D, Ashwini Vaishnaw. Correct answer. Option C, Nirmala Sitharaman. Who became the first woman, first African, and youngest person to be elected president of the International Olympic Committee in 2025? Option A, Kirsty Coventry. Option B, Anita de France. Option C, Simone Biles. Option D, Nadia Comaneci. Correct answer. Option A, Kirsty Coventry. As per the 2025 World Happiness Report, India holds which position among 147 countries? Option A, 97th. Option B, 118th. Option C, 126th. Option D, 133rd. Correct answer. Option B, 118th. Who was honored with the title, Desh Nayak, by Rabindranath Tagore for his contribution to India's freedom struggle? Option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, Bhagat Singh. Option C, Subhas Chandra Bose. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer. Option C, Subhas Chandra Bose. Who is the author of The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife, a very unusual memoir? Option A, Hazel Keach. Option B, Sakshi Dhoni. Option C, Deepika Pallikal. Option D, Pooja Pujara. Correct answer. Option D, Pooja Pujara. Which five-year plan led to the establishment of the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development? Option A, Fifth Five-Year Plan. Option B, Sixth Five-Year Plan. Option C, Seventh Five-Year Plan. Option D, Eighth Five-Year Plan. Correct answer. Option B, Sixth Five-Year Plan. Which of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? Option A, Ganges river dolphin. Option B, olive ridley turtle. Option C, Indian star tortoise. Option D, king cobra. Correct answer. Option A, Ganges river dolphin. Which company signed a memorandum of understanding with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation to provide urban logistics services using metro trains? Option A, FedEx. Option B, Blue Dart. Option C, DHL. Option D, Amazon Logistics. Correct answer. Option B, Blue Dart. Which Rajasthani tribal community is traditionally associated with the folk dance, Gair? Option A, Bhil. Option B, Garasia. Option C, Banjara. Option D, Kalbelia. Correct answer. Option A, Bhil.